Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to add two numbers using WOP concept using GUI application. Instead of doing the programming and console application, let me do as GUI application. Okay. So what I am going to say, I am going to go to File, New Project, select Java, New. If it is create, check it, uncheck it. Here add numbers. Press enter key. Your project has been created successfully. This is a source package. Here we have select this package, right click new, JFrame form, add numbers. Press enter key. Right. Now let me design this one. This is hoop how to add two numbers. We are using the WOP concept. So we have to drag this one. Choose it here as heading. I am going to put it as this, right click, properties, border color, we have to choose it as blue, here select as dark blue, with label I am going to drag and drop. This label I am going to change the text as WOP add two numbers. Right click, properties, select this one with bold 36, select this one, foreground we have to change it as white. That's it. Now you have to drag the labels. You have to drag the labels. Where's the labels? These labels. This one, number 1. Select this one, right click, properties, font property, bold 18, select as 24, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below, 2. After that, drag the text field, select this one, backspace remove the existing text. We have to change the name as txt num1, press enter key, properties, font property, select as 24, right. This one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste and get another copy. Right. Now I am going to drag one button, which is add button. Add. Select this one. Properties. Change the font as 24. Right. Perfect. Now let's do the program, WOP program. Okay. Very simple. Let me change it as 48, little bit. Perfect. Right. Perfect. Now let's select the frame, right click, properties, code generate center. It will be generated at the center. We have to do another couple of things. Go to source, Ctrl F, select the UI design as, just select UI. You have to change it as metal. Now if you go and run the program and check what is the changes I have made here, it's a look and feel of Java look. Okay, now how to do the WOP concept here. This is one should be the GUI. Select this package. I am going to create a class, Java class. We have to here I have to create the class as add calculation, CAL, calculation, cal. I just give the name as cal. Otherwise you can give calculation anything name. I just give as cal. Right. This is empty class. This is an empty class. Here I am going to declaring the attributes and methods. First I am going to create the variables int num1, okay, comma num2, num3. We have created 3 different variables. Sorry, num2, tot, 3 variables we have created, right? These are called as variables. These are called as variables. Okay. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to create the method. Public, here I will create the name as int, here I will create the method as add. So create the method add, which is the add method. If you have provide the data type here, this method should return. Okay, so here you have write the tot. Tot, this tot equal num1 plus num2. That's it. That's it. So here return, which one we have to return? Tot we have to return. That's it. So return the tot. It's a very simple class. This empty class. This is the, I already explained what is the properties, right? This is the attributes. This is the method. This is a double OP, class and object tutorial. We have explained it. What is the class? What is the attributes? So the same class, we have a 3 variables, 1 method. Okay, this method which return. Okay, so tot. So this is a double OP. How to do the, how to calculate this 2 number? So right click, event action perform. Let me see how to calculate the numbers. First, we have to implement the class first. What is the name of the class? Cal. We have to create the object C equal new cal the class. After that, I am going to do is here. We have to import the property and method class, this one. So here we have to put it the word public. Then it will be applicable for, we can this all the attributes will be accessible for all the classes. If you are not put public over here before that access specifier, it defaultly take as private. Private you can accessible this variable only inside the class. Outside the class you can't. If you make it as public, you can access anywhere. So you can make it as public. Now you can see here c dot here num1 equal, you have to assign the particular text field txt name num1 dot get text. Here right here integer dot pass int, right like this. Same thing with control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be number 2, this is num2, right. So here what is the number you are type, it assigned to this variable. What is the number 2 you are type this variable. I am going to calculate those things. So how to calculate this one is C, here we have already calculated in this class. Okay, tot, what is the value you entered, it will be calculated and display the total. So here total, how to print here is, what is text txt, we have to drag one text field total, sorry, not, don't do it. Control C to copy, control V to paste, get the another copy of it. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste and get another copy. This one we have to total, this one should be txt tot, right, txt tot dot, sorry, what is the name, txt tot dot set text. So right here is, we have to call it here as string dot value of tot. That's it, it's working. Why it's show there right, sorry, where this call this you have to call this method. Which method? Add method we have to call, right. So you have to write here how to call it here is add method c dot add. C means this, we have to call this particular, you have created the object of this class, calculate class, we have to create the object of c dot, in this class we have a method called add. If you have call it here, it will, what happen is it goes to the what you enter on this text field, it is assigned to these variables. what happen is, if you call it here, these two variables goes here and it will be adding and putting to the total, it returning back and printed here to the total text field. This is the efficient way to calculate the value. So here 34 click. Why was the problem? Number, the problem is this. Okay, we have wrongly added the text field. This is txt. This is txt num2, txt num1. Okay, this one we have to wrongly add. This one txt1, txt number 2. That's why. That's the problem. I had a problem with the text box name. That's why it takes problem. 45 here 90 will be the answer. Okay, this is how we have to do the task. 23 46 will be the answer. This is how we have to do how to add two numbers using double OP concept. Okay, there are many students who not aware about this stuff. Okay, you must learn double OP. That's very simple. It's with the simple example, right? Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.